ओम यद विद्या विलासेन भूत भौतिक सृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानंद विग्रहं शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 157। दिस अनुमानम विवाद गोचरापन्नम प्रमाण ज्ञानम स्वप्राग भाव व्यतिरिक्त स्वविषयावरण स्वनिवर्त्य स्वदेशगत वस्तुअंतर पूर्वकम। In this, so pramana jnanam, we have to take pramana jnanam as any pramana jnanam. Even though in the moolam it is given, it is avidya anumana. And in the Panchapadika, that avidya is actually moola vidya. But that is why so that will be karana avidya. But in this swaprag abhav vyatirikta, that can apply to karya avidya also. Just as karana avidya is bhavarupa, karya avidya is also bhavarupa, and it is different from it's different from the praga bhav of pramana jnanam. Means jnana abhava, it is not jnana abhava, it is ajnanam, which is bhavarupa. In the same way, swa vishaya avarana. Swavishaya, as I said, if the jnanam is ghata jnanam vishaya is ghata avarana is this avidya. So that also can be karya avidya. Then swa nivartya, it is pramana jnana nivartya. Mula vidya is also pramana jnana nivartya. Any avidya is pramana jnana nivartya. And swagata vastu antara, swadeshagata and vastu antara purvaka. Swadeshagata. So swadeshagata, I explained that it is not the what did I explain for swadeshagata?
Swa is for Vishaya and not Pramana Jnana.
Swa is Pramana Jnanam, but we should take it this way. Okay. Swa Pramana Jnanam has to work to remove Ajnanam of the Vishaya. Vishaya Deshagata Ajnanam. So, just as Pramana Jnanam is in Pramata, Pramana Jnanam also has to reach the Prameya. Like Brahma Ghatakar Vritti, if you say Ghatakar Vritti will rise in Antakarana, but Ghatakar Vritti should reach Ghata, it should pervade it, then only there is Aparoksha Jnanam of Ghata. So, there also Swa can be taken as Pramana and it will be Pramana Jnana Deshagata, but Pramana Jnana Desha is to be understood as where the Vishaya is, up to that. not only the utpatti sthana, not only antakaranam, but up to Vishaya Desha. So that is Swadeshagata. And Vastu Antara Purvakam, Vastu Antaram means it is different from Atma Vastu. Because if you say Vastu Antara Purvakam as Atma Vastu, then Atma Vastu Purvaka Taya Arthantaratvam. Arthantaratvam means you are trying to do Siddhi of this Ajnana Vastu and you will end up doing Siddhi of Atma. That is the Arthantaratvam. When your sadhya is supposed to be one, but you end up doing siddhi of something else, is called arthantara. Now in this anumanam, key point that you have to note is sadhya is not explicitly said as avidya. Because if you say pramana jnanam is avidya or ajnanam, pramana jnanam is paksha, and sadhya if you say as ajnanam, then that will not work. So that's why he has given it as in the sadhya, the component will be ghataka, will be ajnana. So pramana jnanam is paksha, but sadhya is vastu antara purvakam bhavitum arhati. Any pramana jnanam will require a avidya vastu before which it will come and function. In this way you have to understand the pratignya. Aprakashita artha prakashakatvat, because pramana jnanam, its job is always to do aprakashita artha prakashanam. Ajnata jnapakam, that is aprakashita artha prakashaka. And the drishtanta is andhakare prathama utpanna pradipa prabha. Because if there is andhakara, prathama utpanna pradipa will remove, pradipa prabha will remove andhakara. Then dvitiya kshana, tritiya kshana, like in dharavahika jnanam, that prabha is not andhakara nivartaka, because andhakara has been already removed by the first. Prathama means prathama kshana utpanna pradipa prabha. Prathama kshana pradipa prabha has already removed andhakara. And then we saw the padakritya. Then tattva pradipika, uttara jnana nivartya purva jnana vyavrutyartham. That everybody understood. So vishaya avarana iti. Yes or no? What is uttara jnana nivartya means every time, even if it is not ajnanam. One vritti comes, one jnanam, it goes, next jnanam comes, it will remove previous jnanam. Third jnanam will remove previous one. So uttara jnana nivartya purva jnanatvam is there in all jnanam. So that is not what we are saying. That's why so vishaya avarana. So vishaya avarana swanivartya. So vishaya avarana घट विषय का आवरण प्रमाण ज्ञान निवर्त्य. स्व विषय आवरण स्वनिवर्त्य. एंड स्वगत स्वदेशगत वस्तु अंतर पूर्वकम. So swa means pramana jnana, deshagata vastu antara is this avidya. Pramana jnanam will always follow some ajnanam. Ajnanam is there, then pramana jnana will come, etc. Tattva pradipika lakshanam, avidya lakshanam. To memorize, what is the avidya lakshanam?
Anadi bhava rupatve
Anadi bhava rupatve sati jnana nivartyatvam. Avidya is anadi. We say avidya is anadi. Bhava rupa. So anaditva and bhava rupatva both are there in avidya. And jnana nivartyatvam will be there in avidya. Jnanena nivartya, avidya will be eliminated. Then you see nanu. Kim anupalabdher abhava pramayam karnantara anupapatya anupapatyam antaratvam asthiyate. So, or in some book I was told there is a reading karanantara anupapatya, then space, then mantaratvam asthiyate. If it is manantaratvam asthiyate, then it is very easy, because manantaratvam means in upalabdhi prama, upalabdhi will give you abhava prama. That abhava prama karanantara anupapatya, in upalabdhi abhava prama. According to Nayayika, what is the karanam?
Indriya.
Indriya, pratyaksha. Pratyaksha is the karanam, pratyaksha praman. And according to Vedantins,
Anupalabdhi.
anupalabdhi. So anupalabdhehe abhava pramayam karanantara anupapatyam or karanantara anupapatya. If you say mantaram, means you should understand manantaratvam. Asthiyate anubhava baladva. You are using manantaram, means anyat manam pramanam, as anupalabdhi other than pratyaksha, because karanantara anupapatya, you have karanantara anupapatti, other karana is not available. That's why. Or anubhava balad, or on the strength of anubhava. Purvapakshi is asking. If you take the reading, karanantara anupapatya, mantaram is not enough, but manantaram, if the reading is there, that is very good reading. Manantaratvam asthiyate. And or you just say, like how it is given in our books, it is printed as karanantara anupapatyam antaratvam asthiyate. Antaratvam means this anupalabdhi. Manantaratvam is the best reading. Manantaratvam asthiyate. Kailash book, mantaratvam only is given. Karanantara anupapatya mantaratvam. So you should read it as manantaratvam. Then it is easy. Mantaratvam is no mantaratvam. और अनुभव बलाद्वा न आद्यः तृप्त प्रमाण भावस्य इंद्रियस्य एव तत्करणत्व संभवात्. क्लुप्त प्रमाण, क्लुप्त मीन्स सिद्ध, सिद्ध प्रमाण भावस्य इंद्रियस्य, इंद्रिय इज द प्रमाण, इंद्रिय will become the karana, tat karanatva sambhavat. Still Purva Pakshi believes abhava prama you can get through indriya, you don't need anupalabdhi as a different pramana. Nacha indriya abhavayoho sambandha nirupanam, between indriya and abhava sambandha anirupanam is not possible, Siddhanti said, because there is no sansarga between indriya and ghata bhava, pata bhava, etc. Indriya abhava samsarga is not there. Indriya artha sannikarsha is there, but that artha has to be bhava rupa. So he says, Purva Paksha says, Indriya abhavayoho sambandha anirupanam itina. We already told you, Sanyukta Visheshanata Sambandha is there. Sanyukta Visheshanata Sambandha eva Sattvat. So this Visheshanata Sambandha, they say Vishesha Visheshanata Sambandha for Abhava. And then Sanyukta Visheshanata and Sanyukta Samavaya Visheshanata, Sanyukta Samavaya Samaveta Visheshanata, like that, all the Sambandhas they have given. We saw them. Sambandhasya eva Sattvat. Siddhanti says there is no pramana for this Sanyukta Visheshanata Sambandha. Nacha atra pramana abhavaha, means there is pramana. Bhutale ghata bhavaha iti adhar adheya bhava sambandha pratitehe. Bhutale ghata bhava, there is a sambandha. Adhara is bhutala, adheya is abhava. Adhar adheya bhava sambandha pratitehe. Adhara adheya bhava. This is adheya bhava is one shabda. Adhara adheya bhava rupa sambandha pratiti is there. Adhara is bhutala. Adheya is ghata bhava in this way. So there bhava means rupa. Adhara adheya rupa sambandha is there. Ghata bhava jnanam. Tippani number 1. Pramanatvat. This pratiti is pramana. Adhara adheya bhava sambandha. Ghata bhava jnanam sambandha vishayakam anuswara. विशिष्ट ज्ञानत्वात् दंडी पुरुष इति ज्ञानवत् इति अनुमानाच्च. घटा भाव ज्ञानम इज संबंध विषयकम. पूर्व पक्षी इज डूइंग अनुमानम. घटा भाव ज्ञानम पक्ष संबंध विषयकम साध्य. विशिष्ट ज्ञानत्वात् दंडी पुरुष इति ज्ञानवत्. दंडी पुरुष ज्ञानम is also vishishta jnanam. Like that, because it is danda vishishta purusha. So here it is. How will you say bhutale ghata bhava? How will you say in visheshana visheshya language?
Bhutala is Visheshana, Ghata is Visheshana.
So how will this? That is correct. How the Vakya will come now?
अस्तु
Yatra yatra Vishi.
No, not Vyapti. Just the Vakya. Visheshana visheshya. Ghata bhavavat bhutalam. Dandavat purushaha. Ghata bhavavat bhutalam. So bhutalam, ghata bhavavat bhutalam. Bhutalam will become visheshya. Ghata bhava is Visheshana. Vyapti will be what is the Vyapti?
यत्र यत्र विशेषणज्ञानत्वं तत्र तत्र सम्बन्धविषयकत्वम्।
Yes, yatra yatra vishishta jnanatvam tatra tatra sambandha vishayakatvam or sambandha vishayatvam. If it is a vishishta jnanam, there is some sambandha vishaya, sambandha vishayatvam. So Dandi Purusha Jnanam is Vishishta Jnanam and it shows Sambandha. In the same way, Ghata Abhava Jnanam is also a Vishishta Jnanam because Ghata Abhavavat Bhutalam. So therefore there is also going to be a Sambandha there. So that Sambandha Jnanam we can prove, Purvapakshi says. Anyatha Abhavasya Niradhikaranatva Apattau ध्वंसस्य स्वाधिकरण कपाल नाशेन इत्यादि वर्णनम. One. Then अधिकरणस्य साधित्व इत्यादिना भेदस्य द्वैविध्य निरूपणम च विरुध्येत. Two virodha will come if you don't accept this. Purvapakshi says anyatha, otherwise abhavasya niradhikaranatva apattau. If abhava doesn't, if you don't accept adhikarana for abhava, that bhutala is the adhikarana for ghata bhava, niradhikaranatva apattau dhvansasya swadhikarana kapala nashena. The dhvansasya swadhikarana kapala nashena ityadi varnanam. Whenever dhvansa is there, you said that dhvansa goes in its adhikarana. So dhvansasya swa adhikarana kapala nashena ityadi varnanam. So this was said earlier. Siddhanti had accepted. Dhvansa ghata dhvansa is in kapala. Then Siddhanti said, if kapala dhvansa takes place, so ghata dhvansa is in kapala, and then when kapala dhvansa takes place, then what happens?
Dhvamsasya dhvamsa takes place.
Correct. Dhvansasya dhvansa will happen. That is the point he is making here. That otherwise that statement will become wrong. Anyatha abhavasya niradhikaranatva apattau dhvansasya swadhikarana kapala nashena ityadi varnanam. This varnanam, which we already saw. Because Nayayika, they say dhvansa is ananta. And Vedantis will say dhvansa also will have dhvansa. When that kapala nasha takes place. Dhvansa is in kapala nasha, dhvansasya dhvansa. This varnanam virudhyeta. This varnana will have virodha. Number one. Number two. अधिकरणस्य सादित्व इत्यादिना भेदस्य द्वैविध्य निरूपणं च. Now you have to tell me where this is. Where this is means what was this discussion?
If the Adhikarana is Sadi, then the Twamsa is also Sadi. And if
Correct.
the
Correct. This is the point. If adhikarana is sadi, then dvamsa is sadi. If adhikarana is anadi, dvamsa is anadi. This kind of dvaividya nirupana of bheda. Bheda means anyanya bhava. Virudhyata. You will have virodha with that also. So you will have to accept that there is a adhikarana or abhava. ससंबंधः स्वरूप संबंधो अन्यो वा इति अन्यदेतत्. Now whether that sambandha is swarupa sambandha or some other sambandha is different topic. Anyadetat. Anyo, tippani number 2, संयुक्त विशेषणता संबंध. So that it is संयुक्त विशेषणता संबंध, that is different. Swarupa sambandha or something. Because abhava stays with its karana. Abhava of karya stays in karana with swarupa sambandha. And abhava of any padartha elsewhere, Purvapakshi said, is this Sanyukta Visheshanata, Sanyukta Samaveta Visheshanata, etc. So that discussion is different. But there is Sambandha. What is that Sambandha? That is different. It is Anyadetat. Nacha Dvitiyaha. What is the Dvitiya Kalpa?
Anubhava Balad.
Yes. Anubhava Baladva. So on the strength of Anubhava, we say that Anupalabdhi Pramanam is what is needed. Everybody is understanding this or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Swami.
Yes, Swamiji.
निर्घट भूतलम, not भूतले, निर्घट भूतलम पश्यामि इति विपरीत अनुव्यवसायात. You are saying that on the strength of anubhava. Anubhava means on the strength of anuvyavasaya jnanam. The anuvyavasaya says it is, Purvapakshi says, you Siddhanti feel the anupalabdhi praman you have to accept because you will say, this is my anubhava. But Purvapakshi says, anubhava is pashyami. Pashyami is the anuvyavasaya, which is viparita from what you are saying. Pashyami iti viparita anuvyavasaya. Anyatha parvatam pashyami vannim anuminomi iti vat bhutala abhavayoho vilakshana anuvyavasaya pattihi. Otherwise, like in case of Vanni in Parvata, the Anuvyavasaya Siddhanti had said, Parvatam Pashyami, Vannim Anuminomi. Parvata is Pratyaksha, Vanni is through Anumana. Like that, between Bhutala and Abhava, your Anubhava should be Bhutalam Pashyami, Ghata Bhavam
Anuminumi.
not Anumina. It is not Anumana.
Anuminami.
Ghata Bhavam अनुपलब्ध्या जानामि और अनुपलब्ध्या अनुभवामि. In case of Parvata and Vanni, it is Pratyaksha and Anumanam. But in case of Bhutala and Ghata Bhava, according to Siddhanti, it is Bhutala is Pratyaksha and Abhava is known through Anupalabdhi. So he will say, Bhutalam Pashyami Ghata Bhavam Anupalabdhya Anubhavami. This kind of Vilakshana Anuvyavasaya Apatti will be there. And this should happen, but you don't get that. We just say Ghata Bhavam Pashyami. किंच प्रत्यक्ष प्रमायाम प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणम करणम इति उत्सर्गः. उत्सर्ग मीन्स सामान्य नियम. व्हाट इज द सामान्य नियम? इन प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा, प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण इज द करणम. सिद्धांति accepted anupalabdhi pramanam. What is the nature of prama? What is the nature?
अधिगताभादित विषय अनधिगताभादित
No,
विषय
no, no, no.
ज्ञानत्वं
I don't want lakshana. In case of ghata bhava, Siddhanti said prama is pratyaksha. What is the pratyaksha pramanam? Anupalabdhi. Prama is pratyaksha. You remember this point?
Yes, Swamiji.
Prama is pratyaksha.
Yes.
Pramanam can be anupalabdhi. So Purvapakshi says in pratyaksha prama, pratyaksha pramanam is karanam. This is the samanya niyam. This is utsarga. Only when there is balavat badhaka, then only you have to let go of this niyama. Such a balavata badhakena apodyate. For pratyaksha prama, only pratyaksha pramanam, this is the niyama. You are accepting for pratyaksha prama anupalabdhi pramanam. In case of abhava, this exception is allowed only if there is balavat badhaka. Such a balavata badhakena apodyate. But here, prakritecha abhava jnanam pratyaksham. But here, abhava jnanam is pratyaksham. So, Siddhanti said abhava jnanam is pratyaksham or not?
No, Swamiji.
Yes.
Yes. Siddhanti said abhava
Yes,
jnanam is
Swamiji.
pratyaksham. Siddhanti said abhava pramanam is anupalabdhi. But abhava jnanam is pratyaksham. Iti ubhay siddham. Ubhay siddham means we Naiyayikas also say abhav jnanam is pratyaksham. You Vedanti also say abhav jnanam is pratyaksham. So therefore pramanam also has to be pratyaksha only, Purvapakshi says. Tatra pratyaksha pramanam indriyam eva karanam. Therefore its karana will be indriya only. Pratyaksha pramana is the karana. Padhaka abhavat indriyadi इंद्रिय अभावयोः संबंधस्य च साधितत्वात् साधि. And here there is no badhaka. According to Purvapakshi, there is no badhaka between indriya and
Abhava.
abhava. between Indriya and Abhava, there is no Badhaka. Badhaka Bhavat. Indriya Abhava Sambandha will be there. Sambandhasya cha sadhitvat. So Sambandha Siddhi is there. Tatasya Katham Anupalabdhi Manantaram. You see, Manantaram here it is given. There, that's why Manantaram you can make. Manantaram, Manantaratvam. So then how you are accepting Anupalabdhi as another Pramanam? Idi chet uchyate. Now Siddhanti says. According to Siddhanti, there is no Indriya and Abhava Sambandha. Between Chakshur Indriya and Ghata Abhava Sambandha, that Sansarga is not there. Purvapakshi says it is there. There is Pramanam. Siddhanti says there is no Pramanam. See. Na tavad Indriyam tat karanam. Sambandha anirupana. That Indriya is the Karanam. The Sambandha itself is not established. Sambandha is not there. Sambandha cannot be described between Indriya and Abhava. Sanyogadi. Sanyogadi is not there. Nacha Sanyogadi hi. Tasya asambhavat. Sanyoga Sambandha, Samvaya Sambandha, they are not possible. Okay. What about Sanyukta Visheshanata? Nacha Sanyukta Visheshanata. Purvapakshi, because he said Sanyukta Visheshanata is the Sambandha. He said no. Why? Tatra Pramana Bhava. There is no Pramanam in that. Ukta Pratite he Anumanasya cha Adhar Adheya Bhava Sambandha Sadhakataya Indriya Abhava Sambandha Asadhakatvat. Ukta Pratite he Anumanasya cha. Ukta Pratiti and Anumanam, what Purvapakshi gave. Pratiti, that there is Pratyaksha Pratiti. Anumanam, he gave that there is, like how Dandi Purusha Jnanam is there, Vishishta Jnanam, like that. Ghata Bhavavat Bhutalam, that Vishishta Jnanam is there. Ukta Pratite he Anumanasya cha Adhar Adheya Bhava Sambandha Sadhakataya Indriya Abhava Sambandha Asadhakatvat. Indriya and Abhava Sambandha. Indriya and Ghata Sambandha or any other Adhar Adheya Sambandha is possible. Indriya and Abhava Sambandha is Asadhaka. That Anumanam is not doing Indriya Abhava Sambandha Siddhi. You give some random Anumanam and you say this is proving our point. It is proving with Bhava Rupa Padartha, not with Abhava Rupa Padartha. So this is Siddhanti's main point. Abhava Rupa Sambandha is not there. You cannot say through Anumanam because you don't have Vyapti only. You don't have Drishtanta for Abhava Rupa Pramana, Abhava Rupa Sambandha with Indriya. Nacha Ukta Mula Virodha. Somebody will say, why all this discussion? Just to do other Laukika thing. Let's just do chit chat. Why so much discussion on this Anupalabdhi and so many arguments by Purvapaksha, so many questions, etc., etc. This is for making the Buddhi Sukshma. When such discussions will come later in Brahma Sutra, then you will realize that, oh, I should have used my Buddhi earlier to sharpen things. There will be some such discussions, many in Brahma Sutra. Nacha Ukta Mula Virodha. Tadrisha Sambandha Abhava Kathanasya Adhar Adeya Bhava Sambandha Kathana Parena Granthena Virodha Bhavat. Ukta Mula Virodha, Purvapakshi will say that by this उक्त मूल विरोध है that Aadhar, Adheya, Sambandha, etc. that you have also accepted in case of Ghata and Bhutala. So Siddhanti says there is no Moola Virodha. तादृश संबंध अभाव कथनस्य आधार आधेय भाव संबंध कथन परेण ग्रंथेन विरोध अभावात्. ताद मूल what we said, तादृश संबंध अभाव कथनस्य means this what we are saying now, that there is no sambandha between indriya and abhava, that sambandha abhava kathanasya आधार आधेय भाव संबंध कथन परेण ग्रंथेन, and that आधार आधेय संबंध भाव which we have said, with that grantha there is no virodha bhav. आधार आधेय संबंध with भाव रूप पदार्थ we accept. आधार आधेय संबंध with abhav रूप पदार्थ and then doing anumanam of this abhav रूप पदार्थ using the vyapti from bhava rupa padartha, this we don't accept. There is no virodha. We accept bhava rupa discussion, we don't accept abhava rupa discussion the way you are putting it. With bhava rupa padartha there is indriya artha sannikarsha. With abhava rupa padartha there is no sannikarsha. And this anuvyavasaya virodha, napi anuvyavasaya virodha, phalibhutam jnanam pratyaksham iti uktatvat. Anuvyavasaya virodha is not there. Why? Because according to Purvapakshi, anubhavami, this anuvyavasaya, it should be part pratyaksha, part anupalabdhya anubhavami. Siddhanti says no, because phalibhutam jnanam is pratyaksham. We are just saying karana is anupalabdhi, but jnanam is pratyaksham. So then adhikarana jnanam is pratyaksham, abhava jnanam is pratyaksham. So anuvyavasaya will be pratyaksha, pratyaksham anubhavami. It is not two split. You said that our anubhav should be adharam bhutalena pratyaksham karomi, abhavam anupalabdhya janami. But it is anupalabdhi is only karana. Final product is pratyaksha. According to us also prama is pratyaksha. Phalibhutam jnanam pratyaksham iti uktatvat. Yadapi kincha ityadi tadapi na. This yadapi kincha, kincha. So you have to look for kincha. Kincha pratyaksha pramayam pratyaksha pramanam karanam iti utsargah. Here it was said, few lines above, by Purvapakshi. Kincha pratyaksha pramayam pratyaksha pramanam. Everybody found?
Yes, Swamiji.
Tadapi na. Siddhanta says that is also not. Why? Sannikarsha bhavasya prabalatar badakasya sattvat. Sannikarsha abhavasya. This prabalatar badhaka is there, which will prove sannikarsha is not there. In other words, the indriya and abhava, sannikarsha. Sannikarsha with abhava. Sannikarsha abhavasya means indriyartha sannikarsha abhavena. Tasya badhaka asti. There is a badhaka for this. Prabalatara. How? He gives vikalpas now. Kincha. Kim abhavasya visheshanata matram sannikarsha. 1. Indriya sannikrishta adhikarana visheshanata va. किं वा यत्र अधिकरणे प्रतियोगी सत्वम अनुपलब्धि विरोधी स्यात् तद विशेषणता. सो अभावस्य विशेषणता मात्र सन्निकर्ष 1. 3 विकल्प है इसके. सेकंड इज इंद्रिय सन्निकृष्ट अधिकरण विशेषणता. विथ इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष is there. इंद्रिय सन्निकृष्ट अधिकरण विशेषणता सेकंड. और किं वा यत्र अधिकरणे प्रतियोगी सत्वम. इंद्रिय सन्निकृष्ट अधिकरण विशेषणता मीन्स इंद्रिय सन्निकृष्ट अधिकरण इट्स विशेषणता ऑफ अभाव. अभावस्य विशेषणता. और किं वा यत्र अधिकरणे प्रतियोगी सत्वम. देयर वेयर प्रतियोगी सत्वम इज देयर इट्स अनुपलब्धि विरोधी स्यात् तद विशेषणता. और दैट विशेषणता इज अनुपलब्धि विरोधी. प्रतियोगी सत्वम अनुपलब्धि विरोधी विशेषणता. सो विशेषणता मात्रम सन्निकर्ष है. मीन्स सन्निकर्ष अलोन इज द विशेषणता. और इंद्रिय सन्निकृष्ट अधिकरण विशेषणता. और द थर्ड वन अधिकरणे प्रतियोगी सत्वम अनुपलब्धि विरोधी विशेषणता. The answers we will see. न आद्यः भित्त्यादि व्यवहित भूतलादि वृत्ति घटादि अभावे अपि विशेषणता मात्रस्य विद्यमानत्वेन प्रत्यक्षतापत्तेः. भित्ति a wall is there. भित्त्यादि व्यवहित भूतल on the other side. भूतलादि वृत्ति घट there abhava ghata abhava on the other side of the wall, on the ground, on the floor. विशेषणता मात्र से विद्यमानत्वेन प्रत्यक्षतापत्तेः. If you say it is only विशेषणता सन्निकर्ष, that also you should be able to see pratyaksha. So how? I will explain that tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.